In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Bollinger Bands, or BB, in Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open Robinhood Legend from the official Robinhood platform and access your chart workspace where your trading layout is already prepared. Once your chart is visible, move to the upper right-hand corner of the screen and look for the indicators icon located just below the Add Widget button. Click on the indicators icon to open the indicators panel. Inside the indicators panel, click Add Indicator to open the full list of available indicators. After the list appears, you can scroll through the options manually or use the search box at the top of the panel. Click on the search field and type BB to locate the indicator more quickly. Once you see Bollinger Bands in the list, click on it to add it to your chart. The indicator will be applied automatically and will appear directly on your active chart once selected. You will now see the Bollinger Bands lines displayed on your chart, confirming that it has been added successfully. Click Settings next to it to open the customization options. Inside the Settings menu, you will see the available options for adjusting the Bollinger Bands indicator. Click through the settings to make any changes you want to the indicator display. You can adjust the available controls shown in this panel, including how the bands appear on your chart. As you make changes, the updates will automatically reflect on your chart in real time, so you can immediately see how each adjustment affects the indicator. If you need to fine-tune it later, you can always return to the same settings panel and adjust it again at any time. The Bollinger Bands indicator will remain active on your chart as you continue working inside Robinhood Legend. That is how you add and customize Bollinger Bands, or BB, in Robinhood Legend.